Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So yesterday I was already in one trade on what GBP USD, right? So after this build up just about yesterday to this morning, right? So I didn't actually come into the market early. You know, the MBK strategy is somewhere here, right? I would have been in this trade all the way down to this level right here with the MBK strategy, but I don't actually come in early, right? I just got in. So let's see what's going to happen. Now, first of all, we already know this is a build up, right? So this is a build up right here. And one thing about build ups is if price is in a downtrend and we have a build up, where's price going to? It's just going to push all the way down again, right? Simple as that. So that's just what we are going to do right now. Now, obviously, price will just pull down without any serious pullbacks, right? It's just a simple thing. Now, I really wish I was in this trade around this level with the MBK strategy, but I did not come inside the market early. So now what we are looking at is very, very simple. Now, if you look at the trend for now, you obviously know that we are in a downtrend, right? We've just broken through this level right here, as you can see. So when we broke through that level, we are coming down. Now, I've marked this level because it's a level where price actually hits and push all the way up very, very fast, right? So when you look at the trade, you obviously realize that this was a level that price has just been doing what? Pushing all the way up from. So indirectly, when price gets all the way down to it, we should be expecting a what? A very big push, right? Simple as that. So let's just go in and get into this trade because we'll be pushing all the way down to this level. And after that, we'll see whether price is going to either break through that level or price will do what? Will actually push all the way up from there. But I really wish we get an uptrend from there because it will be a very good trade, right? So that's just by the way. Now let's get into this trade because I think the build up is done. The only reason why the build up hasn't actually pushed price down is just because of this liquidity right here. So it's because of this liquidity just around this level right here, right? So it's because of this liquidity. That's the only reason why price hasn't actually pushed it's down, right? But this is a solid entry because we have the solid high right here. So let's just go ahead and enter into this trade. Now we're entering into two trades at this moment, but after we push through this level right here, so normally I use my Fibonacci level or Fibonacci retracement level to actually enter into more trades, right? So this is what I do. I target the place that I actually think price is doing what price is going to go all the way to, right? So this is it right here. So I'll be using this Fibonacci level from this level right here, right? All the way down to this level right here. Now, this is the places that I want to be entering into trades, right? After this right here, I don't want to enter into any trades again. Just want to hang around and see my trades push all the way down to this level right here. So I'll be adding another trade when price actually push all the way back down to this level right here. So around somewhere here, I'll be entering into another trade, and that will be all for what? For GBP USD, right? So simple as that. So let's go up and set our what? Our stop loss. And always remember, if you are not going to be watching it, what's the trend, try your best and put a stop loss that you can stomach. I've already said it several times and countless times, right? So put a stop loss that you can do what you can stomach, right? Simple as that. Now, the reason why I'm not worried about this high rise here is because I don't think price is going to get to it. So this is what I actually think is going to happen. Now, when we get to our first TP, probably around this level right here, then we'll see what happens, right? So this right here should be our first TP. And remember, always put your trace at what solid highs. So this right here is what a solid high. That would be around 2550, right? So around here is a solid high. So always put your trace at what solid highs. Now let's go to gold and see what happened because gold is quite interesting at the moment as well, right? So when you look at gold, yesterday we got into the trade around somewhere here with the 714 meter. Now I know most of people wouldn't have gotten this yesterday around this level. You wouldn't have gotten it because you were going to be looking at this smaller time frame with this um what fair value gap right here, and you'll be thinking the price is going all the way down with the fair value gap. But under normal circumstances, we're still in an uptrend, so there's no reason why you should have been looking for a downtrend around here. Now, I was using a 15-minute time frame after that pullback just happened right here. So when you look at it, after this pullback right here, I know price was just trying to push all the way down, right? Just to this level. The whole of this week, I've told you guys this level has been very, very good. As you can see, this level has been a very good level. We went through it and we are just retesting it. I've said it in the other video. If we go through this, we'll just retest it for a while and we'll push all the way up, right? Simple as that. So we were just coming to retest this. You can see that we respected the fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame very, very well. Then we pushed all the way up. Now I entered into a trade around somewhere here. It was two trades actually. My TP was around somewhere here, right? Reversed all the way back after taking my first TP all the way back to this level. I entered into another trade again and we pushed all the way up. When this reversal was happening, I got out of that one trade, leaving this. Now it actually came all the way into it, but I know we weren't going to do anything. That's why I did not get out. So let me just hide these drawings and let's analyze this trend and see what's going to happen today. Now, obviously, you can see the price is already respecting this level. Now, I can just enter into a buy at this moment because um, I already know where we are going to. I know for sure that we are pushing all the way up, and this fair value gap is doing its job, right? Okay, so if I do this, the drawings will actually come back, right? So let's analyze it. So now, when you go to a 4 minute, 4 hour time frame or a daily time frame, so let's look at a daily time frame for the moment, right? So when you look at a daily time frame, you notice some couple of things, right? This right here, when you look at this level right here, change of character, break of structure, price pull liquidity from down here, give us a new high. Price just broke through that new high right here, right? Will price push all the way down? There's no way price is pushing all the way down, right? Price is not going to push all the way down. We are obviously in an uptrend. We pull liquidity from somewhere here, just around this level right here, as you can see. So we are obviously in an uptrend. So there's no way price is going to do it. Price is just going to push all the way down and break through this level right here. Obviously, price can push all the way down into my trade right here just towards pull liquidity, but we are still pushing all the way up, right? So this fair value gap is actually called a fair value gap absorption indicator, right? So it's a fair value gap absorption indicator. I'll write the name somewhere in this video. You see it, go and get it because it's a very good what fair value gap, right? So obviously, when you look at this level, you see this supply and this demand right here, right? So I'm doing it again. So let me just, I just want to remove this. I don't want you guys to actually see. It's quite messy, right? So, so obviously, when you look at this level right here, you see what this supply and this demand right here, right? Simple as that. Now, price is just trying its best to push all the way up to this level right here. Simple as that. And you can see that the fair value gap indicator has already indicated that there's a big fair value gap right here. So when price gets to it, we might get some rejections from there, but we are still pushing all the way up, right? Simple as that. So there are two places we can go. We can either come to this supply and demand just around this level right here, and price will hit us down for a little while, or we actually reach this last high right here, right? So simple as that. That's what we are trying to do today, or that's what is going to happen today. So all you need to do is just try your best and enter into your trade. That's just what you needed to do. So right now, where should we enter into a trade? Now, when we go back to a smaller time frame, you can see that a couple of minutes or just when you look at the 45-minute time frame, you see that we are in a downtrend, but we are now pushing all the way up. 30 minutes time frame, the same. 15-minute time frame, you can see that we are now working something out around that level, right? When you come to a 1 minute time frame, you see the same thing. This is just the level that price is going to push all the way to and pull all the way up, right? So when we bring our drawings just right out, you see that I've already marked what this fair value gap right here. So when price gets back into this fair value gap, we are pushing all the way up and we are going to break through this high right here, right? So what do? Look at this trend just right here. This single trend right here. You know that price is pushing all the way back. Why is it pushing to? Either it's what 50% or it's what 61% level, right? You know that we are going up. You are going to enter into your trade. How do you do it? Just put your what's your Fibonacci retracement level. You already know that we are at the 50%. Now we might push just a little bit to the 61%, right? But you can equally enter into your trade here because we are pushing all the way up. Simple as that. Price is not going to do anything. We're just going to push all the way up. Now I want you to understand this. Now check this out. You see, this right here was a what? A change of character just right here. And this is another change of character right here. Now, I want you to take note of this. Whenever this happens, we have two change of characters at the same time, right? Whenever we have two change of characters just within the same level, price is trying to change its direction and to change the direction in a very, very serious way, right? Simple as that. So let's go ahead and get into this trade because we are pushing all the way up. Now, I'll equally get into another trade if we put just a little bit down here. I know that this one is quite high. That's because of the spread, right? Equally get into another trade if we push just a little bit down here, right? Simple as that. So whenever that happens, just know that price is trying to change its direction, and it's changing it in a very, very serious way. So you just wait and look out for the place that price is going to change its direction to, or you go to a bigger time frame and analyze it. You know where price is now going to. Now you know that price is doing what, is pushing all the way up to that level right here. So this right here will be my stop loss just around this level. Now, if you look at the reason why I'm putting my stop loss there is because there's this nice fair value gap just right here. So price can easily still pull back into it, right? But for instance, when you look at the buys that is happening right here, even if price push into this level, it's just going to be a quick one, right? It will just come inside and push all the way up, which I would have been very, very happy because if price actually push just fast into this level, I'm going to buy twice the amount that I bought here. That's what I like, right? Because we are pushing all the way up. Now, if you look at the 15-minute time frame, let's go to the 40, no, the 30 minutes time frame is alright. I want to show you another thing right here. When did we start this whole trend? We started it around somewhere here, right? So yeah, so around somewhere here we started. So look at the same thing that I'm telling you. When price does this right here is a what? A change of character. That's a change of character right there. This right here is a what? Another change of character. Where is price going to? Price is pushing all the way up. That means price is changing its direction and it's changing its direction in a very fast manner. That's what I'm telling you. When you see two change of characters at the same time, price is changing its direction and it's changing its direction in a very, very fast manner. So today we are expecting price to actually reach this level right here because that's a very good level, right? This supply and demand, it will actually push price just a little bit down, probably back to this level right here, this level that I marked. Will probably push back to it just a little bit, but I'm pretty sure by the end of this month we'll reach this highs right here. So that's what we are expecting today. Now, if we go to my trade on GBP USD, I'm still in a loss, right? Don't worry about it. Price will still push all the way down. I don't enter into trades, and I think that because price is inside my stop loss and it's still pushing around inside my stop loss, I'm going to lose the trade or something like that. No, it doesn't happen that way. Price is quite different. It does things differently, right? So let's see what's up.
One eternity later.
Yeah, so I'll be getting out of this trade right now, right? So I'll be getting out of this trade right now. Now, my reason for getting out of this trade is because I actually think this level right here is a very big level, right? So when price goes into that, so we'll see some serious push all the way down. But obviously, as you can see, price did push all the way just to my TP, right? But because of the spread, it did not actually take me out, right? So simple as that. Now I'll be getting out of this trade because the 714 method is almost up and we are in an uptrend. So indirectly we'll be looking for a location to do what, to drop. But for the meantime, just know that the 714 method has to pull liquidity from somewhere huge, right? So the 714 method would actually do what, push just into this level right here, pull some liquidity, and will push all the way down. Now I'll get out of these trades, but I might actually enter into a trade with the 714 method, but I don't know. Maybe I'll actually use the 714 method right now, or maybe not. I don't know, but When you look at it from a lower time frame, you can see that we are barely pushing up, right? So we are barely pushing up. Now we just got a change of character right here, right? Simple as that. So I'll be getting out of this trade just like that. We can still push all the way up higher because we just broke through this level right here. But for me, I'm done for the day and I'll be getting out of this trade. So I'll be getting out of all of these trades. I don't actually want. So I'm out of this trade. So that's it. Now I'm out of all these trades, right? But the 714 method will likely push into this before we actually drop, right? So simple as that. Now today was stressful, but very, very good, right? If you go to what GBP USD, so when you look at it, you see that we are still in what profits, right? Now, obviously, this is where I think I'll be getting out of the trade actually. But because of these pushes, I still think price is going to drop heavily, right? Now, probably when it drops all the way to this level right here, maybe I'll try my best and see a reaction there, probably a rejection just to the upward side. Then I'll enter into another sell from somewhere here that will push all the way down, right? Because we are coming all the way down to this level right here, probably. Now, under this level right here, well, when you go to a bigger time frame, you see that there's some high right here. We might actually hit there and we'll push all the way back, right? That's just it. I'm out of this trade. I'll probably get in with the what's the 714 method, but I'm quite tired. I don't know if I can actually trade it at the moment, but let's see what happens, right? I'll see you guys in the next video.